Guys, today I'm going to create notification in Kotlin. Please make sure to check include Kotlin support at the start. Okay, please select minimum API 26. Select the empty activity. Notification activity. Now next. Done. Create one button. Just drag one button element over here. Okay, go to text. Copy these 4 lines. Replace it here. Remove this one. Cool. Now go over here. Create one notification manager at the top. Notification manager, initialize it with null. Okay, notification manager equal to get system service. Get notification service over here as notification manager. Okay, so now what you have to do is first you have to create notification channel. Okay, that will take description, id and name, and id will be here your package name. So create one another function, that is notification channel. Notification channel that will take the id as a string, name as a string, and description as string. Okay, so now what you have to do is you need to create one importance of the notification, that is the high priority, and you need to create one channel with the help of id, name, and that importance which you have created. Okay, and you need to set the description, and whenever you get the notification at in your phone, so there will be some actions over there, that is the enable light and light color and the vibration kind of thing. So we are going to create those things over here. So create importance equal to equals notification manager get importance, that is just take low. enable lights over here, enable lights, pass the boolean value. You can also set the light color. Okay, now if you want to vibrate whenever you get the notification, then enable vibration. Okay, it will take boolean value, that is true, and you need to set the vibration pattern. So it will be long, it will be a long array, so take long array of, okay, pass the value, and then now you need to set the final channel over here. So take notification manager dot create notification channel and channel. Take the name. Now pass the value of create notification channel, that is the id will be your package name. So in the first parameter you need to pass the package name, that is the id. Second will be your demo notification title, notification demo. Third will be your detail, so you can do is description, demo text. Now so we have created a notification channel, so in the later part we have to create another function that will be notification. Okay, so in that that send notification you have to create id, notification id and the channel id. Then you will create a notification builder in that function, so create those also. Send notification, you have to pass view, that is view. Notification id will to take 101, channel id equal to your package name. Now create the notification builder over here, so notification equal to notification dot builder. So you need to pass two parameters over here. First one is the current contacts, that is at the rate notification activity. Second is the channel id, channel id. Now you need to set few values, that is title and content, text and icons, and the channel ID. If you want to set the icon, then content title, that is demo notification, set content text, that is anything. If you, hi buddy, small icon, Android, not R, not. Now set the channel ID, that is channel ID. Now build the builder, so dot build. Notification manager, it needs to be notified, so pass the notification id, and then pass the notification window. So copy the send notification function name. Okay, go to XML part. Okay, now type on click send notification, select. Now clickable, make it true. Run that. Now our app is live. Click the button. Okay, boom, we are getting the notification over here. So now go to home button. Over here your app icon is, just long tap on that, also you will get the notifications over here. Okay, so if you want to if you want to create one pending intent for launching an activity from a notification, so you need to create one activity, another activity. So go to your Java package, right click and go to your activity, just take empty activity, name it second activity, second activity. Yes. In second activity, just over here, take this button widget, go to second, text view, name it second activity. Now you need to create one pending intent. Over here. So create one pending intent. Pending intent equal to pending intent dot get activity. Now you have to pass the current contacts. So pass this and result will be 0. Pass the result intent and set the flag. Now you need to set this that pending intent into your notification builder. So set content intent. You need to pass the pending intent label over here. Okay. Now run this application. Yes. Click the button. We are getting the notifications. Okay. Click the notification. We are getting the second activity. Thanks for watching, guys. Please like and subscribe.